Hello everyone, myself Kajal and I am here behalf of Gramton Weighing Automations Private Limited. So today we are introducing Gramton Advanced GNS Weighing System, which is specially launched for the automobile and automotive sector. As we know, India is the second fastest growing automotive sector, and on the daily basis, variety of material inwarding and outwarding in the automobile sectors like Tata, Bajaj, Varroc, Lumax and Minda, many more industries. So for this kind of operation, Gramton has launched advanced weighing system to enhance the efficiency of weighing and counting process. The main benefit of this system to track the inward and outward material short quantity and to control on the mismatching of these pairs, to get the label identification for the traceability purpose, to get the all report in Excel format for the GMP practices with the traceability. So let's check the operations of the GNS system. This is the weighing indicator, and this indicator is robust industrial touchscreen display for the user-friendly operations, and this system is a password protected for the admin, supervisor and operator level. So we are logging this system with the password. Okay, this indicator is having 10,000 PLU memory to avoid the sampling process and to speed up the counting process. So we'll add this 10,000 PLU in Excel sheet and we'll upload this sheet in indicator through RS-232 to LAN connectivity and through Wi-Fi connectivity. Now I am recalling the PLU from the sheet. So I am selecting connector. Target quantity of this connector is already fitted on this master data. For the sampling process, now I am taking 20 pieces. So this machine is having on-screen check weighing and check counting facility for the better clarity and for the accurate counting process. Now this indicator is showing 20 quantity. For the low indications, it will show yellow. After reaching the target, it will show green, and for the higher, it will show red. At the time of inwarding, if the PLU barcode is available in the box, so we can recall the PLU by scanning the barcode. So data will be fetched here. After reaching the target quantity, label will generate, and this label will be totally customized. So according to customer requirement, we can add the data like product code, product name, quantity, date and time. We can add QR code and barcode also to support the inventory. We can generate this label in color coding to maintain the FIPO. Machine is having higher level accuracy up to 10 mg, and machine is having facility to connect multiple scale connectivity for the child parts and big parts also. In these machines, we can connect printer, scanner and keyboard easily. The all accessories are plug and play. The machine is having 1 lakh transaction facility. All the transactions report you will get in Excel format. The main USP of this system is web page facility. Through IP address, we can access the data in Excel format. The system is having VNC connectivity for the easy access. So mainly this system is used for the counting, weighing, labeling, data logging and data transactions. GNS system making every weighing and counting process easier and faster. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and for the more updates and the free demonstration, please contact us on below number. Thank you.